Okay, we didn't have to do this problem, so I'm going to move on to the next one. Copying the angle. This is the one that most people have a little trouble with. So first I'm going to set up, I'm going to center on my vertex and give myself an opening. Make sure your opening is wide enough to actually be able to get a good place. I don't want to make this too small. So I get my opening there, and I'm going to copy that over to my new line. So I'm going to copy that to over here, center on my new vertex, copy that. Notice I made it a pretty big arc because I'm not sure where it's going to open up to. Now, if you're copying an angle, you're actually copying how big it opens. So I'm going from this point to this point, okay? So I'm going to set up at my first point, move my compass to get the second point. Make this mark, okay? Make that mark because it tells me that you actually did that measurement. Now I'm going to come over to this point and do the same thing. Set up there, and with the same measurement, make a mark. Go ahead and give me that, okay? Don't just put a teeny dot there. And then I just stretch that out. There's my angle, okay? Let's try that with the other type of compass. So same idea with the other type of compass. I'm going to set up for my vertex, and I'm going to just draw an arc that goes through there. And this is not a very good compass. It's a little plasticky and moves a lot. There we go. And I'm going to do the same arc on this point. So it's easier for me to turn it this way. So I'm going to, there we go. For me, and using this, it's easier to turn in that direction. Now, I'm going to now set up from this point, and I'm going to open up my compass so that I can get the other point. So there. So I'm going to have that measurement. Okay. And I'm going to come over to this point here and do the same thing. Oh, just barely caught it. Got close that time. If it doesn't catch, I got to redraw my other one. So now I come over to here, and there's my angle. There we go. Simple as that. Let's try another one. Let's go over to number 4. Bisect an angle. Remember, angles start the same way. So I'm going to create my opening. This is the one that we kept the measurement the same the entire time. So I can just do that. And now keeping the same measurement, going from these 2 points here. So same measurement, I get an arc, come down to the bottom one, do another one, and there's my point. I think I'm a little off on that, but not bad. Try it with the other kind of compass. I want to bisect this angle, so it's the same idea. I'm going to set up a measurement, start at my vertex, and I'm just going to draw an arc. And now I'm going to keep the same measurement from this point. I'm going to make a mark. And from this point, I'm going to make a mark. And there we go. There's my intersection. And now I can connect the dots. Bisected the angle. Okay, let's try another one.